So hey guys, if you are like me who also want to make money online, listen. For the past 18 months, I have tried all of these things, these gurus preachers, and I've came to a realization that 90% of them are just garbage. I'm just literally one of you guys just trying out with no money and just to make and just want to make it. So I've tried everything and 90% of them are literally garbage. They are designed to keep you broke and keep them rich. So what I'm going to reveal in this video took me 1 year and 6 months to find out. So if you are really serious about money, watch this video. The first thing, you have AI. So AI will do everything for you. You don't need to do anything. You just have to automate it and you will make money. So this is a common misconception. Yes, it is true that AI will make you money and you don't need to do a lot of work. But here's what's happening. As much as AI and the technology is growing, it's also eliminating jobs faster than ever before. 90% of the people are getting replaced daily, and those people who are making serious money online, they have invested their time and their energy into learning those skills, and it has become a habit for them, and that's why they are making money now. So without skills you can't make money. So throw the pattern of I want to make money with no skills, because that's not going to happen. You need to have skills. The world is changing, so you need to have skills so that you can make serious money and a sustainable income. Which leads me to my second point. People who preach lazy money and all of the party and the fun, they actually work. And I know this sounds boring comparing to all of the passive income fantasies and the nomad lifestyle, but this is the truth. They had those times where they wanted to quit, those sleepless nights, those times where they hated their life. And you don't get to choose balance in the beginner stage. You have to work twice as hard as everyone else to get to a stable point where you can actually delegate and create the lifestyle you want. The balanced life you see on their Instagram posts, the fun, the enjoyment, and the party, all of them are a result of the imbalanced life they had for years and the imbalanced grind. So you have to grind in the beginner stage. If someone says you can make lazy money, that's not true. You need some amount of capital to actually go big. Now, while all these gurus are preaching that you can absolutely start from zero and build an empire, yes, it is true. You can start from zero and time will give you an advantage, but the reality is much more nuanced. You have to have money to reinvest back into your business and side hustles, because that's when there is growth. You're growing exponentially instead of just linearly. So you need to have some capital and you have to work for it. For the starting capital, you can do freelancing, you can do content creation or whatever, but you have to work for the initial capital to go big. It's not the only time. It's when time and money are both combined, you have an exponential growth and you need to have some amount of money. You have to make your first $500 to make your 500k dollars, because while having big visions will help you in long term, you have to be obsessed with going small when you're starting out, because it doesn't help at all when you're trying to make the 1000th step but you're still figuring out the first step. It's not going to help you. So first you have to make your $500, the small step, the breakthrough. It's the important thing, because those systems and the code that helped you crack the first $500, it will pave the way for the next amount of money and the next 500k dollars. That's it. If this video had helped you in any way, hit that like button, subscribe for no BS money advice that actually works.